In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your Discord account. Instead of just relying on your password, Discord will ask for a second code from your phone or authenticator app. This makes it much harder for someone to access your account, even if they somehow get your password. Let's walk through the full process step by step. First, open the Discord app on your computer or your phone and log into the account you want to protect. Once you're in, go to your user settings. On desktop, that's the little gear icon near your username at the bottom left. On mobile, tap your profile picture at the bottom right. This will open a menu with all your personal settings. Next, look for the section labeled something like My Account or Account. This is where Discord stores your email, username, and security options. Inside this section, you'll see an option for two-factor authentication or account security. Click or tap that option to begin turning it on. Discord will usually ask you to confirm your password before you continue. This is normal and is there to prevent someone who just has access to your device from changing your security settings without permission. Enter your password carefully and confirm. Now, Discord will prompt you to set up 2FA using an authentication app. Popular choices are apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, or the built-in authenticator on some phones. On your screen, Discord will show you a QR code and also a setup key. If you're on your phone, you can type the key into your authenticator app. If you're on a computer, you can simply scan the QR code with your phone's authenticator app. Once you've scanned the code or entered the key, your authenticator app will start generating 6-digit codes for your Discord account. Go back to Discord and type in the current code from your app to verify everything is set up correctly. Make sure you enter it quickly, since these codes refresh every 30 seconds. After Discord confirms the code, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your account. At this point, Discord usually gives you backup codes. These are very important. Download them or store them in a safe place, such as a secure notes app or a password manager. If you ever lose access to your authenticator app, these backup codes are what you'll use to log in. From now on, whenever you sign into Discord on a new device, you'll enter your password and then a code from your authenticator app. With that, your Discord account is now much more secure with two-factor authentication enabled.